everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. So this evening I am going to create a loaded paper bag. The video is going to be a little different. I'm going to go ahead and create it from scratch, and then my daughter will receive it via her computer, and she's going to speed it up and do all those fun things you do when you have editing capabilities. So I'm just going to show how I make it, and then I'll be packing up all the stuff, putting it all in packaging, and then another video will show you what I'm putting in and how I'm going to stuff it. So without further ado, sit back and enjoy and see how I just rack my brain. So I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, I just kind of winged it. I had a ballpark what I knew was going to go where. I had this crepe paper left over. I thought it looked pretty creepy. And I put some of this, just some shredded. I'll show you. I ordered this many moons ago, and I've never used it. It's called Floral Accents from Ashland. And it's just a bunch of this dry looking, I don't know, grass, I don't know. But I just cut it up and then I glued it on the top of those tombstones so it could look like it was, you know, dry. And then have those stuck down. And then the crepe paper kind of hides it. And then I had plenty of stuff over here. I had the crepe paper to use. I also had some trim like this to use. Has that orange color on it, but thought that was a bit much. I just wanted to kind of just use those items there. So by the time I come back and show you how I stuffed it, there may be something else on here. But for now, I think that's going to be all for the cover of my loaded bag. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.